Oi, in C-Splash, there's bare Arsenal kits, fam. Bare. But that's the vibe because Arsenal are champions. But I reckon we'll do the Champions League as well, you know. You might as well cancel the World Cup, cuz. Who cares about the World Cup when Arsenal won the league?
Yes, my people. You're locked into In Series. We're back at Brockwell Park, and we're here for a City Splash.
You're locked into In Series! I know.
Real bad man like Ninja Man. Real bad man like Ninja Man. Really hard man, she no need formal. Really hard man, she no need formal. She love it. Hot body make you off it and to the pan body when you need them rub. She love it. Hot loving, brace and broke it. Do it and make you enough money. Girl, you're pretty like
Arsenal won the league, you know how it is.
Come on, you banners!
You guys believe in that Teta, that's it.
Wearing Adidas collab with places and places for Arsenal.
100%.
Stay loyal, have fun, and be smug. Come on, Arsenal!
me have the thing and she. Me have the thing and she. She have the thing and she know when you're around. They give me fever, no cold.
No, I do fashion styling. This is my outfit. Y2K inspired. This is like vintage from my mum's closet. Yeah, we out here.
This I got from the car boot in Dalston. Bracelets and my necklaces.
I was given kind of like pixie type of earthy vibe. So I thought it like worked perfectly with tonight. And then the new rocks, obviously. And the new rocks, obviously.
Oh, what a night. Listen, Uncle Beres, you know. 10 out of 10, you know. 10 out of 10. I can't lie, I'm sporting a little injury right now. That's not going to stop me from having a wicked time, you get me?
Start my C-Splash! Love it, Beres Hammond! If you like my fit, then you know what you're about. Big up yourself. It's been a great day. It's been hot, but it's been a vibe. We've had a great day. I'm going favorite. It's flying.
Oi, in C-Splash, there's bare Arsenal kits, fam. Bare. But that's the vibe because Arsenal are champions.
On a high from the Arsenal! Arsenal!
I reckon we'll do the Champions League as well, you know. You might as well cancel the World Cup, cuz. Who cares about the World Cup when Arsenal won the league?
When's the last time they won a European trophy? When they answer that question, please tell them to come and find me, cuz.
Everyone came to see Beres, man. That's the highlight.
We dance all night till the songs they play. We can come again. We do it just the same.